Hello, creative minds. Welcome to our tutorial on how to upload your own files to Wepik's editor. This feature allows you to personalize any template with your own content. Let's get started. First, go to Wepik's editor and click on the Photos button located in the left toolbar, and then on Upload Photo. Now, select all the pictures, logos, and resources you want to include in your designs. Choose multiple files at once. It'll make the process quick and easy. And to insert a file in your design, simply click on it. You can then move, resize, and rotate it until it fits perfectly into your template. There you have it. Uploading your own files to Wepik's editor is a breeze. Now you have the freedom to truly make your designs your own. After all, that's Wepik, design made easy for your business.